Hi there! Black Forest Labs just announced the latest Flux 3 video model. It is a powerful multimodal AI model that supports image, video, and audio generation. And the most exciting part is that it is expected to be open source. According to the official blog post, Flux 3 Video can generate videos up to 20 seconds in a single generation. It supports multiple workflows, including text-to-video, image-to-video, and video-to-video. Other features include video and audio extension, keyframe-to-video generation, multilingual dialogue, diverse visual styles, and multiple aspect ratios. Currently, Flux 3 Video is not publicly available yet. Users can apply for early access through the official link, which I will put in the description. Many people are wondering whether Flux 3 Video can compete with Seedance 2. So I tried to reverse engineer the prompts from the official Flux 3 demo videos and use the same prompts in Seedance 2 to recreate them with AI tools. Next, let's compare the results between Flux 3 Video and Seedance 2. So which model do you think performs better? Since Flux 3 Video is not fully accessible yet, it's still too early to make a final conclusion. I will make another comparison once it is officially released. That's all for this video. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest AI trends and news. Thanks for watching and see you next time.